What was that? Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on our way to buy elotes because we're gonna do, it's elote season and we're gonna be doing elotes asados. Also, me and Melon are twinning. Yes. Ma, ¿puedes cerrar el vidrio, por favor? Ok, gracias. I love you. Anyways, yes, I'll see you guys once we're there.
Oh my God.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, señora? ¿Quieres decirle algo a mi video de YouTube?
No, gracias.
Ah. We are here in elote heaven. Oh my God. Traen muchos elotes, José. Muchísimos.
Pues esa pregunta no va a tener ya. O a lo mejor va a ir a buscar a ver cosas. Hola, ¿tiene elote del mexicano? Hola. ¿Los va a cortar ahorita?
Okay, guys, so the guy's cutting our corn. So in the meantime, we decided to come to Costco, and I'm gonna buy my thing that I need. Hey, this is my bro. Nobody wants to be in my videos, but Melon does. So we came to Dutch Bros. La 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 la. We got them. Wait, where did I leave the keys? Oh, I left it. Oh, Dad, ¿qué pasó? Drop the elotes. And guess what? No los voy a ayudar because I am carrying my drink. So, sorry, papi. ¿Quieres decirle algo a mi video? Hello. No, mira, me mugraste. Why are you being so mean to me hoy? ¿Eh? I love you.
No.
Don't you just love being Mexican? I do. Here. Guys, I want you guys to meet Josecito right here. Ah, he's so cute. Wait, Josecito. Hey, Josecito and Josesote. Say hi, baby. You're on YouTube. Get the fuck out of my face, bitch. Let's go. Hey guys, so oh my God, turn the light on.
You told her to turn it off.
Mela, is there something you need to say? We need to make my video a little interesting.
Let's go. Yeah, after Yareli comes.
No.
Let's go after Yareli.
Hola, bienvenidos a otro video. Oh my God, so we came to Leavenworth and it was crowded, but hey guys, we are in Yakima with no one's permission.
Oh my God, Jelly. I was gonna go through there.
No, we can't. We have to go through the sidewalk, Mela. Okay, let's go. We are going to Buffalo Wings.
I want this.
Yes. We missed it. ¿Quieres? Mine? Oh, thank you. Hello guys, welcome back. I haven't filmed in a while. Last time I filmed was when we did the elotes and that was good. Your mom's calling you, Mela. ¿Qué? ¿Qué no te dijo Clau? ¿Qué no te dijo Clau? Went for a little adventure and we went to the mall in Yakima. I know it's not even that exciting, but we went to some stores that we don't have in Wenatchee, so we're really excited about that. So Mela, come. Melone is gonna be in my video today. Melone.
I want to.
Melone.
Hi guys.
She's right there. Okay, so the first store that we went to was PacSun. Mela, where's your bag?
I left it in the car.
Oh, you're doing the haul with me.
No.
Go get them.
No.
I'll show you guys what Mela got when we get to her. So this is what I got. Everybody's gonna be like, what the fuck, Sally? But this is my style, bitch, so don't judge me. Look. Isn't this so cute? It's like a little shirt. Wait, why is it wet? I don't know. But look, it's a little shirt. Like, it's so cute. And guess what? Oh my god. It comes with a little skirt. Oh, so chill, I guess. I don't know why, but I'll, like, what are they called? Like, matches, twins? Sets like these are, I don't know, my thing, I guess. And then the last thing that I got was just this black tube top. Because tube tops are my thing. And it kind of looks like this one I'm wearing right now. Anyways, and then we went to Forever 21, and I don't know why they didn't have the bags, because you know how they usually have the yellow bags? They didn't have the yellow bags. And at Forever 21, I got this plain white shirt. It was on clearance, so, you know, just like that. It has a little collar, collar, I don't know. And then I got this dress that is so my style. I don't know why, but like I feel like schoolgirl is like my style. But anyways, that was everything. And then the last thing that I got, oh my god. I went to Bath and Body Works last week here in Wenatchee, and I got marshmallow pumpkin latte lotion, and it smells so good. And I needed it because I'm like running out of lotion. This was my lotion that I literally got like last haul, and I'm already running out. So I use lotion a lot. And then, like a lot. And then I got this hand sanitizer for school. So yeah, and then, one last thing. Oh shit. This is one of the main reasons to why I went over there. I got this. It's the MacBook Air. I don't know which one it is, but it's in gold. You see, it's in gold, and it's so cute. And I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys right now. So like, whoa, wait, I thought that was gonna be satisfying. Let me just peel this. Oh, imagine it falls. That would be so cute. Okay. Melone, help me. Wait. Okay. Now you this. Yes. It looks rose gold. I didn't want rose gold because I don't know. I feel like I already had a rose gold phone. Wait, it's turning on. Wait, do I have to take this? How do I take this off? Oh, I see. I'm gonna leave it though because I'll set it up later. And then it just comes with a charger. Whoa. With the charger and that thing that fell. So yeah, that's what I got. It's really small. Like, I thought it was gonna be like bigger, but it's actually really small.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
It talks! It talks! Oh my god! I don't want it to talk. I already have enough with Siri. Okay, well, that was everything, guys. And I think I'm gonna. Also, I was gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. So if your name is, I'll put it right here so you guys can just see. Then you're the winner of the giveaway. So I'll be texting you in the next week or two. So yeah, congratulations. Also, it was so hard to choose. I didn't think it was gonna be super hard, but like it was. And I feel bad. Like I want to give something to everyone, but I can't. But I'm gonna be doing more. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a bigger one and another one. So yeah. Anyways, that was everything. I'm here with Melon. Melon, come say bye. I'll see you guys next time.
Guys.
Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, thank you and leave a comment. I love you guys. Bye.